Hello everyone, welcome to Oracle EBS Pro Learning channel. My name is Ramarao and I have more than 11 years of experience as an Oracle EBS finance functional consultant. In this channel, I will share Oracle EBS R12 and Oracle Fusion SQL, interview preparation and real-time production support scenarios. If you are interested in Oracle ERP and want to build your career in Oracle Financials, please subscribe to the channel. Let's begin today's session. Oracle EBS R12 introduction. Now that we have introduced the channel and today's topic, let's first understand what Oracle E Business Suite is. Coming to this side, Oracle E Business Suite is an ERP application developed by Oracle. It integrates different businesses process into one system. Oracle E-Business Suite, commonly called Oracle EBS, is an enterprise resource planning application. It is developed by Oracle. Large organizations use Oracle EBS to manage their business operations in a single integrated system. Instead of maintaining separate software for finance, purchasing, inventory, and human resources, Oracle EBS integrates all these business functions. Because all modules are connected, data flows smoothly between departments, improving accuracy and efficiency. Functional business areas modules, which are grouped into key groups like in this slide, finance, supply chain, HRMS, and project. Let me explain finance. The finance module manages accounting and financial transactions. It includes modules such as general ledger, payables, receivables, fixed assets, and cash management. Then move to supply chain. Supply chain module helps organization manage purchasing, inventory, order management, and the movement of goods from supplier to customer. And move to HRMS. HRMS stands for Human Resource Management System. It manages employee records, payroll, leave, attendance, and other HR related activities. And move to project. The project module helps organization plan, execute, and track the project cost, budgets, resources, and revenue. Now that we understand what Oracle EBS is, let's look at why organizations around the world choose Oracle EBS to manage their business operations. Move in second slide. Companies use Oracle EBS because it provides a centralized business application. It helps automate business process, reduce manual work, improves financial reporting, supports compliance, and provides better management information. It is widely used in banking, manufacturing, healthcare, retail, telecommunications, government organizations, and many multinational companies also. So let me explain centralized data. Centralized data, Oracle EBS store all business information in a single database. Finance, purchasing, inventory, and HR departments use the same system. So everyone works with consistent and up-to-date information here. Then move to integrated business process. All Oracle EBS module are connected. For example, when purchasing creates a purchase order, payables can later process the supplier invoice and the accounting entries are transferred to general ledger automatically. Then move to financial reporting. Oracle EBS provides standard financial reports such as trial balance, balance sheet, profit and loss statement, and other reports that helps management make informed business decisions. Then move to automation. Oracle EBS automates many business activities. For example, include invoice approval workflows, general posting, payment processing, and recurring accounting tasks. These reduce manual efforts and errors. Then move on security. Oracle EBS uses responsibilities, users, menu, and role-based access. Employees can only access the functions they are authorized to use, which protects business data. And move on compliance. Oracle EBS helps organization maintain proper approval, audit trails, and accounting controls. This supports internal policies and regularity requirement. And finally, scalability. Oracle EBS designated to support organizations as they grow. It can handle increasing number of users, transactions, business units, and legal entities without requiring a completely new system. So, because Oracle EBS provide, as you discussed, centralized data, integrated modules, automation, security, compliance, and scalability. It has become one of the most widely used ERP systems for managing enterprise business process. We have discussed the key benefits of Oracle EBS. Next, let's take a brief look at major Oracle EBS module. We'll go to next slide. Oracle EBS contain many modules. Today, I will briefly introduce the major finance modules like GL. GL stands for General Ledger. General Ledger is the central accounting module where all accounting entries are posted. Then move to AP. AP stands for Account Payables. Account Payables manages supplier invoices and payments. Then move on AR. AR stands for Account Receivables. Account Receivables manages customer invoices and receipts. Then move on FA. FA stands for Fixed Assets. Fixed Assets mainly company assets, depreciation, transfer, and retirement purpose it will work. Coming to CM. CM stands for Cash Management. Cash Management helps reconcile bank statements with accounting transactions. Move on PO. PO stands for purchasing, and purchasing manage purchase requisition, purchase order, and supplier procurement. All these modules work together and share information across Oracle EBS. Now that you have basic understanding of Oracle EBS module, let's compare Oracle EBS with Oracle Fusion. We'll go next slide. Oracle EBS is an on-premises ERP application. Oracle Fusion is Oracle's modern cloud ERP solution. Many companies still use Oracle EBS, while others are gradually migrating to Oracle Fusion. Therefore, learning both Oracle EBS and Oracle Fusion is beneficial for career growth for everyone. So we have seen the differences between Oracle EBS and Oracle Fusion. Now let's discuss the Oracle EBS business flow. We'll move on next slide. Starting with supplier. Supplier and purchase order, goods receipt, supplier invoice and payment, accounting, financial reports. So we have seen the Oracle business flow. Now let's discuss the career opportunities available for Oracle ERP professionals. Move on next slide. So here Oracle EBS professionals work as functional consultant, technical consultant, business analyst, production support analyst, and implementation consultants. There is still strong demand for experienced Oracle EBS professionals, especially those who understand finance modules and Oracle Fusion. Finally, let me explain what you can expect to learn from the channel in the upcoming videos. In this channel, I will cover like Oracle AP, Oracle AR, Oracle GL, Oracle Fixed Assets, Oracle Cash Management, Oracle Projects, Oracle Fusion, SQL for functional consultants, real-time production support tickets, interview preparation with practical examples. That brings us to the end of the today's session. Let me quickly summarize what we have covered today. What Oracle EBS is, why companies use Oracle EBS, the major Oracle EBS module, Oracle EBS versus Oracle Fusion, career opportunities, what you will learn from the channel. Thank you for watching today's session. I hope you have a basic understanding of Oracle e-business suite and why organization use it. In our next video, we will explore the Oracle EBS finance modules in detail, including general ledger, payables, receivables, fixed assets, cash management, and purchasing. I will explain the purpose of each module and how they work together in real business process. If you found this video helpful, please like and share and subscribe to Oracle EBS Pro Learning channel. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comment box. Thank you, and I will see you